Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make money playing World of Warcraft. Many players find success by focusing on gathering professions, which offer a steady stream of resources to sell. Others prefer crafting high-demand items, turning raw materials into valuable goods. The auction house is also a powerful tool for those who understand market trends, allowing for profitable item flipping. Daily and world quests provide consistent gold, making them a reliable income source. Gathering professions are an excellent starting point for earning gold. Herbalism lets you pick valuable herbs, often selling for hundreds of gold per stack of 20. Mining provides essential ores and gems, which are always in demand for crafting. Skinning offers leather and scales, vital for many armor types. By focusing on current expansion zones, you can maximize your hourly gold per hour, often exceeding 5,000 gold. Crafting can be incredibly profitable if you know what to make. Potions, flasks, and raid consumables are always in high demand, often selling for hundreds of gold each. Researching market prices is key to finding the most lucrative recipes. The auction house is your best friend. Use it to buy raw materials cheaply and sell your finished products for a significant markup. With smart trading, you can easily earn tens of thousands of gold daily. To truly maximize your gold earnings, diversify your approach. Don't rely on just one method. Combine gathering with crafting or auction house flipping with daily quests. Staying informed about game updates and market shifts is crucial for adapting your strategies. Special in-game events often present unique opportunities for quick gold. Remember, smart investment of your gold can lead to even greater wealth over time, ensuring a steady flow of currency.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.